getting a lot of queries in my channel on how to become a medical malpractice lawyer from students who are pursuing their 11th and 12th standard. In this video, I would be discussing all the important requirements in pursuing a career in medical malpractice lawyer. Welcome back. Hi, I'm Sadul Nissa and thank you for joining me on this video today. The field of medical law is a broad discipline that falls under the practice of personal injury, medical malpractice and healthcare law. In order to pursue a career as a medical malpractice lawyer, you need to complete law school. Medical malpractice occurs when a healthcare professional or provider neglects to provide appropriate treatment, omits to take an appropriate action, or gives substandard treatment that causes harm, injury, or death to a patient. The law requires that the healthcare professionals adhere to certain standards or potentially face an accusation of negligence. If the patient feels the provider was negligent but no harm or injury occurs, there can be no claim. But the patient must prove that the negligence caused injury or harm and that without the negligence it would not have happened. The patient must show that the injury or harm caused by the medical negligence resulted in considerable damage. Suffering, enduring hardship, constant pain, considerable loss of income, disability. You need to understand here, dissatisfaction with the outcome of treatment does not imply malpractice. It is only malpractice when there is negligence and injury, and negligence causes the harm or injury. The plaintiff is the person who complains. In legal terms, he is the person who brings a case against another in a court of law. The person who initiates the suit. Now, the defendant is the party who is being sued. In a medical malpractice suit, it is the healthcare provider. Now, this could be a doctor, a nurse, a therapist, or any medical provider. Even those who are following orders may be liable for negligence acts. The plaintiff has to prove that four elements existed in order to succeed in medical malpractice claim. That is, a duty was owed by healthcare provider or hospital. A duty was breached because the healthcare provider or hospital did not conform to the expected standard of care. The breach resulted in an injury and it was closely linked to the injury. Considerable damage resulted for the patient, whether physical, emotional, or financial. The plaintiff or their legal representative must file a lawsuit in a court of law. Before the trial begins, the plaintiff and the defendant have to share information through discoveries. Now, this may include requests for documents, depositories, and interrogatories. Now, the parties can settle out of court. Now, if they come to an agreement, in this case will not go for trial. But if they do not agree, then the case will proceed to trial. The plaintiff has to prove compellingly that the defendant was negligent. In most trials, both the defendant and plaintiff will present experts to explain what standard of care was required. Now, the judge must then consider all the evidence and decide which party is the most credible. Now, the judge will decide who wins. If it is the plaintiff, the judge will then decide on the damage. The plaintiff may be awarded compensatory and punitive damages. Now, compensatory damages may include economic damages, including lost earning capacity, life care expenses, and medical expenses. Usually, past and future losses are also assessed. Now, compensatory damages may also include non-economic damages, which assures the injury itself, psychological and physical harm, such as losing one's vision or legs, extreme pain, and emotional distress. Now, punitive damages are also awarded if the defendant is found guilty of malicious or willful misconduct. Students can opt for law courses with any stream. That could be your science, commerce, or arts in 12th standard. Well, a lot of law colleges allow direct admissions. It is best to take the national level law entrance exam, which is accepted by top law colleges in the country. Some of these law entrance exams include Common Law Admission Test (CLAT), All India Law Entrance Test (AILET), Law School Admission Test (LSAT), and some institutions also conduct a separate admission test for law admissions. Now, for candidates, in order to be held eligible for these entrance exams, they must obtain not less than 45% or its equivalent grade in 10+2. Now, after completing the 12th standard, students need to take 5 years integrated course like BA LLB, BBA LLB, BSc LLB, etc. Now, taking up an integrated law course gives an opportunity to the students to cover 2 courses under one academic program. Like BA LLB covers Bachelor of Arts plus Bachelor of Law, BBA LLB covers Bachelor of Business Administration plus Bachelor of Law, and BSc LLB covers Bachelor of Science plus Bachelor of Law. Now, LLB is a traditional law course. Now, it can be pursued only after completing graduation, that is 3 or 4 year long courses from a recognized university or institute. Now, course duration for LLB is 3 years. Once you've earned your law degree, you may also consider courses from PG Diploma in Medical Law and Ethics. It is a 1-year program provided by National Law School of India University, Bangalore. PG Diploma in Public Healthcare and Medical Laws 1-year program provided by National University of Judicial Sciences, Kolkata. Diploma in Medical Jurisprudence and Forensic Sciences provided by ILS Law College, Pune. PG Diploma in Medico-Legal Aspects provided by Tamil Nadu Dr. Ambedkar Law University. Now, PG Diploma in Medical Legal System provided by Krishna Institute of Medical Sciences, Karat. PG Certificate in Medical Laws, it's a 6-month program provided by IGNOU, IGNOU. LLM, a 1-year program on medical and health law provided by Amity Law School. But if you already have an MBBS, BDS, B.Pharma or Bachelor's in Nursing or any one of the above courses, then you're already set to start your career in medical malpractice. I've linked my previous videos in the description below. Go ahead and check them. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment and hit the bell button. Stay safe, stay healthy and see you in the next video.